Really?
Why is he playing games? Does he want to see us be stupid?
Drunk people and fireworks. Come on.
You'd be traumatized if you saw you blow up Buzz. Okay?
He's not blowing him up.
I'm not gonna blow Buzz up.
Let me go to the propane tank real quick.
I'm just gonna send Buzz to infinity and beyond.
What? Propane and fire don't mix? What's that?
Come on,
What
man.
are you talking about?
Propane tank there. God.
That's gonna be awesome.
I'm gonna die like I live.
Dude.
Are you ready yet?
Seriously, I'm waiting. It's loading up.
Oh,
my
come on,
God.
man. Ready to do this thing.
It's HTC.
Droid. Yay for Droid.
Ah,
Oh,
Droid.
Brian's getting comfy.
I'm burning up.
It's a little
Do
toasty.
you wear an extra large wife beater?
Yes, I do.
That's a wife beater in my drawer.
No, it's not, because I haven't
It's
taken
not
one
his.
off.
Don't wear an extra large.
He wears medium.
Medium or large.
Not from him. Not from me.
Not for me, trust me.
It's not mine. I've never been here before.
Hold on one second. Where's my camera? Where's my flash?
Are we good? Good Lord. All right, come on. Let's light this sucker.
You ready, Jeff?
I'm ready. Been ready for 1 minute and 13.
Alright.
Are you ready now?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. Come on, to infinity and beyond, baby. Yes. Burn, baby, burn. Yes.
Alright, now take it out of Buzz's hand so it doesn't
Melt.